Got the meter miser rewired and it's running good. And I was able to repair the thermostat. I haven't put it all back together yet because it's kind of in a testing mode right now. When I took it apart, I've got to recalibrate it, so I'm just making sure where I've got it set, it's going to be good. The first time I turned it in too much, it ran all the time. Then I took a Sharpie and I marked the point with the screw ran all the way in. I turned it clockwise 2 full turns, and let me think, it ran all the time. With it turned all the way in, it only ran till the freezer got to about 30 degrees and then kicked off. So I took and went back counterclockwise 1 turn, and that seems to be running pretty good. The freezer's running at 0, and with it turned to number 4, I had a 30-degree refrigerator temperature. So now I put it on number 3, and I'm gonna see if it maintains 30-something degrees in the box, 0 degrees in the freezer. If it doesn't, I think I'm going to turn the screw back in counterclockwise a 1/4 turn, and it should be perfect. We'll see. Sounds really good though.